Okay, now we just got the tractor back. We're gonna park it where our grandpa's gonna park it. I think right there. Yeah. Oh. Gotta park it right there.
That chair's got to be turned around.
Okay.
That's hot, so don't touch it.
I'm just gonna touch it later when it's cold. I'll clean your brush hog off with my dad's leaf blower if you want.
No?
It's suffering.
It'll just get...
Dirty again.
Yeah.
I'm gonna.
What is that stuff?
That's slime that's to help keep tires pumped up.
Huh?
Tire sealant prevents and repairs flat tires. That's all it does. So if you have a flat tire and you need to use it, it's right there. Yeah, the cricket. Dull. It's over sharp, I can't tell. I can't tell.
Take this. Let's take...
Take it and
No, turn it around.
wait, what?
Turn it around. Yeah. Okay. You can do what you want.
That's what I'm doing.
Huh?
I already got way ahead of you. Oh, hi, Shadow.
So you bring my hammer here.
Where's it? How to?
Right there on the Ford lawnmower.
Bam!
Hang it up over it.
Okay. Now I don't know what he's gonna do. Now I don't know what you're gonna do, Grandpa. That's something that I'll never know.
Okay, you can do what you want.
Is that it? Is that it?
What are you gonna do?
Oh, I was gonna pull out my the 1250 so that I can repair it. And repair the tire.
Repair it.
Yeah, the tire's going flat on it.
No. What tire goes flat?
Front left.
You gotta drive it first. Put that stuff in there.
What are you gonna do? Okay, he's gonna test it out. We'll watch him. I am. Power of a PTO guy. Power of a brush hog as well. Go the PTO! There it goes. And that's what a brush hog will do for you. It's already starting to get filthy. Digging into the corn that I planted. That's what a brush hog will do for you. It's okay. Nice. Tractor tire. He's brush hog. I knew he was gonna test it out. I was right, guys. I was right. I asked him over there if he was gonna test it out. He said no. So I was right. I knew he was gonna test it out. Woo! I don't know what to do now, guys. It's up to you. Hag. Yeah, I'm gonna try to set this up. It's not setting up. See ya.